Unsa ning put someone out to pasture?
Put him out to pasture somewhere.
Don't put him out to pasture, could he?
Jerks to put her out to pasture.
It refers to removing someone from an active role, usually because they are considered too old, no longer useful, or no longer effective. It's often used in workplaces when an older employee is retired or sidelined. Gipa-retire, gipapahuway. After 40 years of service, the company finally put him out to pasture. Human sa kap-atan katuig sa serbisyo, gipa-retire na gyud siya sa kumpanya.
I was gonna put him out to pasture, but I always knew I'd find a use for him.
This idiom comes from farming, when work animals like cows or horses become too old to be productive, they are sent to a pasture to live out their days grazing instead of working. The old manager was put out to pasture and a younger one took his place. Gipa-retire na ang tigulang nga manager o mipuli sa iya ang mas batanon.